In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating custom app icons on iPhone. Before we get started, let me know if you're pumped for this with a like. Hit the comments and subscribe for more. Customizing your iPhone home screen with eye-catching wallpapers and cool widgets can give your device a unique, personalized touch. If you're into customization, you'll be thrilled to know that it's also possible to change the app icons on your iPhone and iPad. Let's dive into how you can do this step by step. First, you need to download your custom app icons. While many websites offer these, one of the best places to find free, cool-looking icons is Flaticon. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and go to the Flaticon site. Browse through the selection and download your favorite icons. You can check the download progress by tapping the Downloads icon in Safari. By default, your downloads will be saved in the Downloads folder within the Apple Files app. With your custom app icons ready, it's time to start customizing your home screen. Open the Apple Shortcuts app on your device. Tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Next, tap on the Add Action button. In the Categories section, select Scripting. And then in the Apps section, choose the Open App option. Tap on Choose App and select the app you want this shortcut to open. After selecting the app, tap the tiny downward arrow at the top of the screen and select Add to Home Screen from the drop-down menu. Tap on the text field to give your shortcut a preferred name. Then, tap on the photo icon to bring up a menu and choose Choose File. Locate and select the custom app icon you downloaded earlier, and then tap Add at the top. Your custom app icon will now appear on the home screen. To finalize, go back to the Apple Shortcuts app and tap Done in the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action. You've now created a custom app icon on your home screen. You can repeat these steps for as many icons as you need. When you tap on your custom icon, it will launch the associated app, making your home screen both functional and visually appealing. Once you've changed all your necessary app icons, you can rearrange them to suit your preferences. Enjoy the new look of your home screen, and if you found this guide helpful, subscribe to this channel and check out MediaMagnetGuide.com for tons of tutorials and resources. Got questions? Leave them below.